What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into the world of Pokemon cards with some simple tricks that you can do to impress all your friends. Let's get started. With the first trick, you're going to be making any person pick Pikachu every time. How cool is that? So you want to have Pikachu on the top of the deck, just like this, and when you go through the cards, just like this. You want to hold the deck just like this, and then use your thumb, kind of just riffle through the cards, and as you do that, you grab the rest of the deck, pull up, but keep holding Pikachu, don't let go, and now he's right here, and you show Pikachu, or any Pokemon card that you want them to pick. And then after this, what you can do is, you can not look at the card, and do like a little mind reading. You can do some mind reading. You know, they can hold the card just like this. You're not looking at it. They can even put it in their pocket, and you can just be like, okay, so like a lightning Pokemon, Pikachu. What's your card, Pikachu? And they're like, oh my gosh, and they pull out of their pocket like, oh my gosh, Pikachu. For the next trick, you're going to be needing Pikachu, and you're going to shake and magically make him change into a new Pokemon. For this trick, you need two cards, Pikachu and any other random card, or just any Pokemon cards. Doesn't matter. Put them back to back just like this, and hold it just like this, either up here with the middle finger or with your ring finger. And you want to, when you shake it just like this, use your index finger and turn the card around just like that. How cool is that? And really fast. And slow, it should look like this, and really fast, it should look like you magically changed into a new card. Now for the last trick, you're going to be needing Pikachu or any card and changing him into a coin. But actually, the card's just right here. How cool is that? So you need Pikachu or any Pokemon card and the Pokemon coin, or just any coin, and practice snapping your fingers. You want to hold the card just like this, snap your finger back, and the card is going to kind of show, so if you kind of like tilt your hand over, you kind of can't really see it very well or as obvious because it's right here. But see, like if I'm right here, you can see it, but if you kind of tilt your hand, so you can't really see it, and then you kind of go like this, and tilt your hand, so you can't really see it, and then you kind of go like this, and show the coin. You can show the coin just like that. How cool is that, guys? If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. And also, if you want to be entered in the new shoutouts on every video, every long video, all you gotta do is subscribe, like this video, and comment done. And you'll be entered in a chance to win a shoutout in my next video. I love you guys so much, and always remember, you're awesome.